I'm Brooke Jones and I'm the founder of BeauTex Designs. We turn waste to workwear for hair and beauty industries for their textiles, such as capes, aprons, shoes. We say no to landfill and yes to reuse. So simply turning recycled plastic bottles into a virgin polyester textile, we're actually eliminating that waste. We're really proud where we're going with the brand and the impact we'll have. BeauTex is changing one industry, one product and one business at a time. Workwear, as we know it, is a major problem by destroying our planet. Environmental pollution, social exploitation, and too many industries are turning a blind eye. BeauTex Designs is revolutionising workwear by turning plastic waste into sustainable textile solutions. Waste to workwear. We're a small business with a huge impact by providing a new way of manufacturing, improving ethically, socially, and environmentally. BeauTex started out in workwear and now we're broadening our range to towels. 400,000 plastic bottles will make 100,000 towels, decreasing the emissions by 81 tonnes. That's equivalent to 330,000 kilometres of car travel. With your help, we can take this Aussie brand global. Remember, policies don't make change. Actions create change. One product, one industry, and one business at a time.
You can read more about our inspiring 2020 finalists by visiting the St. George website.